Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video here we'll be working on a BMW guys 3 Series. So if you have E90, E91, 92 or 93 model guys and you're trying to figure out how to remove the upper engine cover, okay, let me show you this cover right there. Stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop we make at least 200 videos. Specifically on this generation BMW 3 Series we'll have close to 400 videos guys, maybe even more. Why we do all that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. All we need in return, please guys subscribe to the channel and like the video guys so we can keep providing this free information to you. If you guys need to buy replacement parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get everything for our vehicles guys and here for the shop. So this specifically is a 2006 model 325, but it will work on 3, also it will work guys on 328. I think quite a few guys will use that design. Now usually you will have that lower windshield trim guys, okay, right there we have that removed. But you can remove the engine cover without removing that piece, even though it's not recommended because you can damage a few things. So how you remove the engine cover, you have to be extremely careful not to break your coolant line. This coolant line is extremely easy to break and many people will do that. So all we need to do, okay, grab it, okay, you will have a few bushings on it and pull it up, come out of here and come out. Where are the bushings now? Okay, 4 bushings, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where do they mount? Okay, let us explain you guys. 1 here, 1 over there, you can see. Then we have 3 and 4. That's where that engine cover attaches. And once you guys do all that, it comes out. How you install it? Super easy guys. Okay, all we have to do, align everything, make sure the bushings are aligning with these 4 things. Press it in and it will go in. Now what we'll be doing here guys, today we'll be starting on a valve cover replacement. We'll be doing the PCV holes replacement on the back. You know, many BMW caught on fire because of that, so we can go ahead do that as well guys. We'll have the video on the channel, check it out. We'll show you how to remove valve motors and all that stuff. So if you have any questions specifically on BMW guys 3 Series, let us know. We've had multiple engines here at the shop, so if you need something, a problem, you have a problem on another BMW engine, let us know guys and we'll try our best to find time and make a video for your specific problem. That way we can help more people in the future as well. So hopefully guys the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.